Welcome back to the channel, friends. So this week we are out for a scenic drive. We are not going to any destination, though we have found one destination, but we know that will be closed. We will go and check it out. But before that, let's go back and check what we have covered so far. Okay.
Do you want to know?
We are starting just now. Now it's 10 o'clock. As per GPS, it is showing we will reach around 12 o'clock, 2 hours, around 60 kilometer. So let's start. This route is going through Harohalli Road and Jigini, and the drive is really awesome because it's complete scenic road, and it also passed through Elephant Corridor, Someswara Wildlife Sanctuary. I can show you now. We almost reached, but problem is that the road is closed. Maybe because of this COVID-19 only, not sure. Let me show you. See here, it's fully closed. You cannot go further, not even by walk. Okay, we'll try next time, no worries. Anyway, the journey is really beautiful. We really enjoyed the ride. It was too scenic, and in fact the last 3-4 kilometers drive through this wildlife sanctuary is really awesome. We just saw one small temple there, so we'll go there and sit some time. After that we will proceed for home. So let's meet there. While coming on the way, we found something interesting. Let me show you. See the bamboo shoot. We hardly find it, right, in Bangalore. Anyway, we don't know how to cook it, but we will figure it out. We will see in YouTube if any recipe available. But last time we tried, it didn't taste that great. Maybe we couldn't prepare it properly. So this time we will try. But really interesting. We should try at least once. We just stopped here to have our lunch. खाना खा लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखेंगे आसपास अगर कुछ है तो जाएंगे. एक डैम दिख रहा है तो शायद होगा तो विल गो देयर आल्सो. But just let me show you the environment where we are exactly. See, it is a deep forest inside, and this is the forest limit actually. If you see here, right, there is a forest gate. Where is that? Yeah, you can see here, right? Sorry, this place. Okay, so this is the forest entry gate, and we are right here. Okay, so after our lunch I will meet you again, and if we are finding any place, then I will let you know. So you have seen the story so far. We have finished our lunch, enjoyed some time here. We will see, we'll head back towards a lake which we have seen in the Google map. We'll see if we can reach there. If you are reaching there, I will let you know. Else we will head back to home. Okay, so let's meet at the lake. After a long drive, we reached Muninagar Dam. It is a really awesome place, man. You just see the place. Okay. If you are coming by bike, you can directly reach here. But if you are coming by car, you need to park some 300 meters there in the road. Then you can just walk away. Really, it's a beautiful place. Actually, it started raining, so we cannot spend more time here, but I took some clips, so we are just heading back towards the car. Till then, you just watch the clip. मज़ा आ गया भाई, पूरा दिन, पूरा सीनिक ड्राइव, एक एक्सेलेंट प्लेस, सच में मज़ा आ गया। हो गया टाइम, हो गया अभी घर जाने के लिए, लगभग 5:30, 10 बजे निकले थे हम। तो होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. इफ़ यू लाइक इट प्लीज़ press the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.